Hi and welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. I hope you are all doing great, staying safe and staying out of trouble. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. So today we are making chicken salad. Yes, so without wasting much time, let's get into this recipe. So here I have my chicken seasoning, my pepper powder, suya powder, adobo, and here is a mixture of garlic, ginger, and some natural spices. I'll leave everything in the descriptive box. So here I have my chicken breast here, and then I just added in all my seasoning into that mixture, and then I stirred everything in. I'll make sure to leave everything in the descriptive box below. And what I just added in is oil from my green chili sauce. Yes, I always pour the oil and then I use it at my salad dressings. I use it to for a lot of things. It's also yummy because it's already spice and seasoning, so that oil is amazing. So I mixed everything together and then I poured it onto my chicken. So what I did in the chicken is that I always use fork to poke in some holes into the chicken so that the seasoning can just get into the chicken, can marinate my chicken very well. So here I'm adding that paste to the chicken, and then I'll just using my hands to spread everything on the chicken. Yes, you can use whatever you have, but it's always good to use your hands, and I love to use my hands. So here I covered it and I'm going to put it in the fridge for some time for it to marinate whilst I go ahead to cut my vegetables. So here I'm just cutting my cabbage. You can use lettuce, you can use spinach, like use what you have. I love cabbage, so I always love to eat cabbage, so I just have try as much as possible to always use cabbage in everything. But you can just go ahead and use what vegetables that you have available. Use what you love. That is what I always say. You can use cabbage, lettuce, use what you have. You can use cucumber only, tomatoes, onions, and then you have to love what you are making. Yes, and I make to eat, I make to share, so I always use what I have. Happy birthday to me, and I am aware that today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. I'm making chicken salad. I'm making chicken salad. Also, now let's cut our onions. Yes, I love onions. I'm using both red and white onions. Use what you have. That is cut, show. Shishe. See, kind of SCJ anymore. Joe. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So here are the vegetables. It's all done. I finished cutting everything. I'll leave everything in the descriptive box below. So here in a pan, I went ahead to add in some of my oil from my green pepper sauce. Yes, that oil is so nice. I love it. I love to use it for my stir fries and other things when I have them. Yes. So here I just went ahead to add in my marinated chicken to what this chicken has been marinating for about 35 to 40 minutes now, and so you see it's really nice. It has been well marinated, and oh my god, it's so nice with all the suya spice. You see, you know what I mean, right? Or you don't know? Tell me if you don't know. So please make sure to cook the chicken, cook it very well, but don't cook it dry. It have to be cooked. Yes, you don't want a dry salad. Cook it to be well cooked. Yeah, and you don't want to eat fresh chicken too, so make sure that it's really cooked. So I cooked mine for about, I think, 4 minutes on each side, and it was done. So this is it, looking so yummy. I started eating it. So here that my chicken is done, everything is done, let's just make our salad. So in a large bowl, I just went ahead to add in all my veggies in there. This is the beautiful part. This is the easiest part. Yes, so you just toss everything in. So there went in my cabbage. If you have your lettuce, you add it in. You add your carrot, your cucumbers, your mixed bell peppers that went in right there, and my onions is, yes, right at the corner. Then I just went ahead to add in my tomatoes. Yes, I just added in some tomatoes, more tomatoes, and then my avocado. Oh my god, I love avocado. Yes, in Ghana we call it pear paya. Paya nku, yes, penkuto. The pear way penkuto the ankasa. And then I went ahead to add in my chicken. Yes, I just broke the chicken into bite size. You can just cut it. And here I'm just adding in my dressing. So what is in my dressing is just the oil from my green chili sauce, and then I added in lemon juice. That is it. And God, is so yummy because that oil is already seasoning, spiced, and it's so yummy. So here it is, it's all done. So all you need to do is to just mix everything together. Just toss it in, mix everything together. So using my fork, 2 fork, I'm just mixing it together. Use what you have. If you have what you have, use it. I'm using what I have. So I just tossed everything in. Is it not coming up beautifully? Yes, it's coming up so beautifully, and it was so nice. Yes, so nice. The crunchiness from all the fresh vegetables and everything. So this is it. Just look at it. It's so nice looking, so beautiful. So you can have this with a lot of things. This goes well with a lot of things. You can have this as, I can just eat it like that. It's so filling and so healthy. You can add it as your filling for any wrap. You can add it to your jollof rice, your plain rice, your soya sauce rice. Yes. So I'm having mine with my turmeric rice alongside my green chili pepper sauce. My green chili sauce. Yes, green chili pepper. What is that? Tautology. Green chili pepper. And then that is Friday. Yeah, it's right there, and also, yes, so yummy. This won't be bad for Sunday dinner. Yeah, it won't be bad for a dinner. So thank you so much. I hope you give it a try. My family love it, and that is what makes me happy, when they love what I make. Bye bye.